Wawa?
Huh?
The lady goes like, it never occurred to you to stop at the Wawa? I'm like, bitch, what the fuck am I supposed to know? Why would I stop at a Wawa?
Hi. Be nice. Genesis.
Angie called back.
Yeah. She said she would go into an interview.
She said she was going to interview.
Mm-hmm. Genesis. Hey.